Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to run the new Google AI Overview report in SplashDash for a new potential client or for an existing client. Super easy, just go over to the Google AI Overview, type in a domain, type in a number of search phrases, give it a location, and then give it a category. This can be a keyword or one of the Google Business structured categories, as you can see there. Click the submit button. Now SplashDash is going to run consecutive searches to find and fetch all of the different places you're showing up in Google AI Overview. All right, so there's my report loaded pretty quickly. So on the left side, you're going to get a visibility score. And really what this is out of the different Google AI Overview results we saw, our business showed up in 7 out of 10 of those overview results, but we searched for 20. Out of the 20, 10 AI Overview results showed up, and we showed up in 7 of them, giving us a 70% visibility score. On the clear side here, you can actually see the different screenshots of the different places we captured. So you can utilize these screenshots, you can save them, you can download them directly to your computer, and you can show to your customers all of the different places that they're showing up in the AI Overview with an actual screenshot. Towards the left, you can see the actual prompts that we used. These prompts are created based on AI so that we can see in that marketplace if you're showing up. What's cool about SplashDash is you can hide these different prompts. So if you want to report on an increased visibility score, you can. If you want to report on a lower visibility score, you can also do the same thing. So I highly recommend you filtering out the visibility prompts based on what your client wants to see, or if those prompts are actually what you want to search. Scrolling down, I can look and see who's being mentioned, the different competitors and the localized area that's also being mentioned in the AI Overview, and of course, which business is being mentioned the most. Then you can see the sources that were used to help make this decision. So for Google, we have primary data and then also these other citations as well. It'll give you the link to the actual citation here so that you can place your client directly on those. And towards the bottom, like every SplashDash report, I can go ahead and click on this button and share this report as a link. And I just wanted to let you know that when you do this, it will lock your preference here. So if you're reporting on 100% visibility, when you create that link and the client opens the link, they're going to see it as 100% visibility as well. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you try out this new feature.